Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Naipunya Vikasam, and I'm here with a new interesting topic after exams. This is from Functional English class 5th. After exams. The name itself tells us what is after exams. After exams time is holidaying time, which is very much precious to everyone. Without wasting time, how we can utilize the time in a proper way to make self improvement, that's what we are going to talk about in this topic. I think all the students are very busy in studies. Every student have much interest to make their life happy, and also they have some hobbies like painting, drawing, swimming, story writing, poetry, etc. So students will implement these hobbies after completion of their final exams. In summer holidays, they will spend a lot of time to enjoy their hobbies. These board exams are going to be over in a couple of days from now. If you have already finished your exams or about to finish it soon, here are some cool things to do after that. Join a hobby class. If you're interested towards a particular activity, this is the best time to learn it. Joining a hobby class is the best way to explore your hidden talent and learn something you truly love. It is one of the best way to utilize the time before the results are declared, and you can always make new friends in the class. Host a house party. Take the help of your parents and host a house party for your friends and family. You can arrange some movies, music, snacks to help everyone enjoy. You can also arrange some indoor games for the guests like chess and bingo. House parties are great way to meet a lot of people, especially those whom you have not seen in a while. Cheer yourself up. You will never get this precious break once after you are done with your studies. And because then you will get busy with your career and will be offered no such distressing vacations. So, this is the only time you will get to spend on yourself. So, whether your pleasure lies in reading, watching movies, visiting special food joints, going places which fantasizes you, walking in the sunshine, spending the time with friends. Now is the time to indulge. Go out for a sport. Humankind plays to survive and survive to play. But again, the sheer academic pressure can make most of the students to give away their favorite sport. After the exams going out and playing the games that interests you the most seems like a breath of fresh air. Actually, playing sports acts as a huge stress buster. During vacations, students can be seen playing cricket early in the morning and playing football in the muddy grounds. The fiery sun rays showering at them does not bother them at all, nor they care for the thirst and hunger the whole day. Nowadays, parents also take the initiative step to enroll their children to learn tennis, cricket, swimming, or any other interesting games. The best thing about a sport is it will also help you shed those extra kilos you gained while you were glued to your books. Work with an NGO. If you have any interest in social service, you can join local NGO to work for a noble cause. Do your bit by supporting, participating and working for those in need. A social work certificate can helpful for your career later on. Go on a tour. Shortlist the place where you want to go and plan a trip with your family. Make the most of our family trip by trekking, camping, swimming, and doing a lot of adventurous sports. Click pictures, enjoy the weather and food, and experience the beauty of the place to the fullest. Last but not the least, learn a foreign language. You can learn a foreign language after your board exams. It is very interesting activity and it's always good to know a foreign language as it can help you if you decide to study abroad or even while looking for a job. These are some cool things to enjoy in summer holidays. Now, here is a conversation between two friends. You must practice this conversation and make another conversations among this topic. Revant, I'm so happy that annual exams are finished. Tarun, same here. I'm looking forward to relax at home this weekend. I have planned a get together in my home after I'm going to cook for all our classmates. Revant, oh fun! I'm going to Srikakulam. I'm taking must camera because summer is coming fast. The leaves are already turning all shades of red and orange. It will be awesome. Tarun, next time you go there, I will join you. This time you visit my home. By the way, I have heard Srikakulam is a great place for fishing. I hope you have all enjoyed this topic. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.